YouTube, a vibrant platform, opens up a world of monetization possibilities. From ad revenue to sponsorships, it stands as a lucrative opportunity for passionate creators. However, to thrive in this digital landscape, understanding these various avenues is not just helpful, it's essential for success. Yet, the competition on YouTube is intense. Many creators dive in without a solid strategy, which can hinder their potential for growth. To truly flourish, active engagement and a willingness to experiment with content are crucial. This proactive approach is the key to unlocking one's full potential. Navigating YouTube can feel like a daunting task for newcomers, especially since there isn't a universal tutorial to guide them. Frustration often leads many to blame the algorithm for their struggles. However, understanding the rules of the game is vital for finding success on this platform. As creators pursue success on YouTube, they often encounter significant pressure and challenges, an aspect that cannot be overlooked. Their mental health must be a priority, as the journey is fraught with hurdles that can easily weigh down even the most resilient minds. To navigate YouTube effectively, it's important to understand its algorithm as a reflection of audience preferences rather than just a technical maze. By grasping this concept, creators can tailor their content to align more closely with what viewers truly desire, enhancing their chances of success. One of the most effective ways to capture viewer attention lies in optimizing video titles and thumbnails. These crucial elements play a significant role in click-through rates, influencing whether viewers choose to watch a video or scroll past it. Many creators engage in split tests, trying out different thumbnails to see which one resonates more with viewers. This strategic experimentation can refine their approach and enhance video performance over time, leading to a deeper connection with their audience. However, it's important to consider click-through rates in context. A low rate on popular videos might not always indicate a need for change. Instead, creators should analyze their performance in relation to their own content, providing more accurate insights about what works. Captivating your audience right from the start is crucial. A compelling hook within the first 30 seconds of a video often determines whether viewers will stay engaged or click away. Crafting engaging intros can markedly improve retention rates, keeping viewers glued to the screen. Moreover, engaging with the audience is vital in building a loyal community. Creators should make it a priority to respond to comments and understand the language of their viewers. This connection fosters a sense of belonging, deepening viewer loyalty and encouraging repeat visits. Employing effective calls to action is another essential strategy for boosting audience interaction. Instead of bombarding viewers with several requests, focusing on one clear action can significantly enhance engagement levels and invite more meaningful interactions. Regularly assessing video performance is paramount. Using a content scorecard can help creators identify areas needing improvement. By honing their skills, particularly in titles and thumbnails, they can better retain their audience's attention. In the midst of all this, it's vital to remember that quality should take precedence over quantity. Producing fewer, high-quality videos often leads to better audience engagement and retention. Viewers tend to gravitate towards remarkable content that stands out amidst the noise. Building a reputation for quality content is essential. This not only increases click-through rates but also heightens anticipation for new releases. When viewers are impressed, they are more likely to delve into a creator's older videos, expanding their engagement. Unfortunately, many creators stumble because their content lacks uniqueness. When videos fail to stand out, they run the risk of becoming just another face in a sea of the similar, making it tough to capture the audience's attention. YouTube's algorithm has a fascinating way of rewarding quality. Even years later, it continues to recommend those standout videos, enabling creators to gain more views over time. This long-term visibility can translate into significant audience growth and engagement. Monetization on YouTube comes with multiple avenues. From ad revenue to fan funding, affiliate marketing, and even selling merchandise, each video holds the potential to become a revenue-generating asset in various ways. Having a library of evergreen content alleviates the pressure to post constantly. This focus on quality can lead to higher baseline revenue from older videos, allowing creators to breathe and plan their strategy more thoughtfully. Take Mr. Beast, for example. He initially faced struggles with low subscriber counts, serving as a reminder that success doesn't always spring from immediate popularity. His journey emphasizes the importance of patience and thoughtful growth in the quest for YouTube stardom. The concept of a growth flywheel is key for building a sustainable YouTube channel. By reinvesting earnings into the production of higher quality content, creators can establish a cycle of continuous improvement that fuels their channel's growth. To further enhance their chances of success, building a dedicated team becomes crucial for many creators. This allows them to focus on their strengths while delegating tasks like editing and thumbnail design, which can significantly boost the overall quality of their content. When creators hire specialists for specific roles, it streamlines content production tremendously. This opens up pathways for creators to take a managerial position rather than juggling every aspect of production themselves, leading to more efficient workflows. Moreover, exploring freelance options allows creators to connect with talent without committing to long-term contracts. This flexibility makes it possible to hire skilled individuals for specific tasks such as video editing or scriptwriting at a fixed cost, enabling more strategic decisions. Building strong relationships with team members rather than outsourcing can create a sense of belonging. This camaraderie enhances the overall quality of content, allowing it to align closely with the creator's vision and style. Finally, this course is tailored for both beginners and those eager to expand their existing channels. It provides personalized support, ensuring that no matter where you are in your YouTube journey, there's guidance available to help you thrive. Learning from experience is invaluable. Many creators spend years figuring things out on their own, often leading to missed opportunities. By sharing knowledge, the course aims to save budding YouTubers time and help them avoid common pitfalls. Ultimately, this course underscores the importance of investing in education for greater returns. Offering a practical approach distinct from traditional methods, it equips creators with the tools and knowledge necessary to build a successful YouTube presence.